In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade with support and resistance levels on IQ option platform. So let's start by marking our levels of support and resistance. So you can see the market is reacting in this area of support and resistance. And it's a good level of support and resistance because initially it was acting as a support, as you can see. It was broken, now it is acting as a resistance level. So if you can break above this area, it will act as a support level. So we need to wait for that opportunity. So we have a support area here again. From this area, you can see strong bias entry. Initially, again, you can see strong bias entry. So currently, this area is acting as a resistance. But if you break above it, it will be acting as a support level. So you can wait. So let's analyze this other market. Here I can see an area. Of support and resistance. So initially it was a support level, it turned a resistance area. So if you close bearish, I'll go with the sellers, but that entry point is not good. I don't know why the market is giving me such entry point. So I'll do a call option. As I've told you, if you close above the area, expect the buyers to continue moving more up. So you can see the rejection on our area of support and resistance. So we wait and see how the market is reacting on the level and how this candle will close. If you close below the level, I'll try and find an opportunity to take my trade with the rejection from the same area of support and resistance. But we have closed between the levels, so I'll not be taking any trade. So generally a downtrend. Here we have a minor uptrend, but this market is not good. A lot of gaps, as you can see. So just avoid such kind of a market. So I'll mark up this area for resistance. And when you check on the left, it was acting as also a resistance area. So we expect some resistance on that area. So for us to do a call option, we needed to close above this closing price, but we did not. So I'll wait. So here I did a put option because I expected the market. Let me first take this trade. I did a put option because after this buyer's movement, we got a very strong seller's movement from that point. Then a retracement, again a seller's candle with a lower long wick, showing some signs that the sellers want to push to this next level of support and resistance. Again, after that candle, we got another seller's candle with a rejection from above. So I understood that finally the sellers will come and test the level of support and resistance, of which they did. They came to the level. Then this trade, as I told you earlier, I'll do a call option if you break above the level. And indeed we broke above the level. So I took a call option on the next candle because we had a very good breakout and we are coming from a strong level of support and resistance. So that's why we took that trade. This other trade, I've taken this other trade because I saw a very strong bullish candle. As you can observe, this is a very strong bullish candle coming from this strong level of support and resistance, because from this area you can see got a rejection. It was broken, it acted as a resistance twice before it was broken again, it acted as a support several times. So we expect this bias to push the market to the next resistance level, which is this level. So that's why I did a call option on that trade. So we have an area here. These are support and resistance level that we can use. So on the left, you can see it acted as a support. It was broken, acted as a resistance. So as much as we have this upper level, at that point, we still have this area that we need to watch out. Though we have already tested the level, but we need to be very careful with it. So we are approaching our level of support and resistance. Let's see what the market will do on that area. So this is a good downtrend. If you get a very good candlestick pattern, you can take a trade. So we are on the level of support and resistance. Let's see what happens. Even here. But this is a very strong bullish candle. So I cannot take my trade now, but I expect the market to break this level. And if you do break the level, I'll take my trade with the call option targeting this area, because from this area you can see it acted as a support. It was broken, it acted as a resistance. So that will be our next level to watch. So we need to break above this area. So here we are breaking above this level. It's a good sign. So we are still in between the levels, so it's just good to be patient. I'll fast forward this video, so when the opportunity presents itself, I'll take my trade. So I'll take a put option on this trade, because now I expect the sellers to move more down, because now the buyers failed to break this area of support and resistance that we were waiting. Instead, we got a very strong bearish engulfing pattern. Again, another seller's candle, getting a rejection from the level of support and resistance. Then we head to retracement candles. So I expected at least the next candle to be a seller's candle, because we have already broken below the area. So we expect the market to move more down. So if you are interested in our mentorship program, you're welcomed. Just contact me directly through the Telegram link in the description below. I'll give you more details about how to join the program. You can watch my other videos which I trade with this strategy of support and resistance to learn more on the strategy. Till next time, see you.